Today we're going to show you how to make a perfect keto, good fat-filled milkshake. But before we do, I just want to let you know that they are having a buy two, get one free sale right now, where you can get a lot of your favorite products for free. So basically, if you get two, you can get basically 33% off. It is a limited time sale. I will have a link with the promo code down below. And if you do miss that sale, remember we also always have a exclusive promo code for you guys, and I'll have that down below as well. Let's check it out. Good morning. Thank you for joining me on the keto journey, 69 pounds and counting. Today I'm going to show you a perfect keto vanilla milkshake. Not everybody likes perfect keto in their coffee, so I'm going to show you how I make a perfect keto vanilla milkshake every day to be able to get those good fats on the keto journey. Let's get started. All right, so we got a quick and easy recipe for you today. I use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I use 1/4 cup of water. And then I use 1 scoop of the vanilla Keto Collagen by Perfect Keto and the vanilla MCT powder by Perfect Keto. And we are going to add it to a couple cubes of ice to get it cold. To get some extra fat and creaminess in there, I like to throw in a whole avocado, and that's going to give you some real good fats. It's going to give it some creaminess and some thickness to your shake. Very reminiscent of the Asian avocado shakes. Morning milkshake. And here we have it, our delicious vanilla milkshake. So once again, this is a good way to get your fats in there, a good way to use your perfect keto. Mix it up a little bit, and it's almost like having a regular milkshake. It's got the sweetness of the perfect keto, the creaminess of the heavy whipping cream, as well as the avocado. And it gives you the energy that you need to get through the day, and it fills you up because it's actually pretty thick and it's pretty satisfying. So hopefully this was informative. If it was, smack that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we do have an exclusive coupon promo code that will get you 15% off of any individual Perfect Keto products. So if you want to make your own milkshake, get some bars or some other things as well. We'll talk to you later.